Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make a pink and coffee color table setting mock-up by using the material I have. Okay, let's go. First of all, we need to put on the tablecloth. About the tablecloth, I recommend to use this cotton fabric. Very soft, a lot of color, and not easy to be creased. Look at this. I already hand washing this fabric, but look, let's check. Look at this. It's not creased a lot. So if you are making the event, using this type of fabric could help very easy to be clean, and just iron on it. You can make it flat. So very easy to washing. Okay, put on the tablecloth. Okay, this is the effect after I put on the tablecloth. Okay, my tablecloth actually not large enough, not long enough, so just look at this side will be okay to check the effect. Okay, the next step we need to make the runner with our wine. Artificial wine, they are iron wines inside, so you can bend and make the shape, adjust the shape. And our flower wine, also there's iron wire inside, so you can bend and make the shape. Okay, I will wrap two materials together to make the decoration. There are no rules about how to make them. Just follow your mind will be okay. The effect that come out will be pretty. Follow your mind will be okay. It's very easy to make the decoration. Okay, then let's put the starch on the table. Firstly, about putting the starch, I will use this organza fabric. Actually, I make the mistake on it. Our original plan is using this net fabric. But anyway, I will use organza material on this tutorial, and for the following tutorial, I will use the net fabric, so that you can make the compare to the effect of these two material, so you can find the difference. I will grab the fabric to crease it, because I don't want the runner just flat on the table. And then grab it. Okay, then just put on the table. Will be okay. Okay, then make the white you want will be okay. Actually, the organza fabric not much soft enough. It's hard to make the shape, keep the size you want. But anyway, let's go on. Okay, let's put our flower wine on the table. Okay, then we need to spend little time to adjust the flower, because there are iron wires here, so you can bend the flower to make it much more vivid. Okay. Okay, let's check the effect. Okay then, let's go on. Okay, put on some of our candle holder. And then since there's some iron wire inside, so we can wrap the flower to the candle holder so they can go with together like a set. Okay, here it is. I wrap the flower on the whole candle holder. So it looks like the holder goes with together with the wine. It looks much more nature. Okay, and then I put some water on it. And also using this small table holder on the wine. Okay, then the charger. And the cutlery. Okay. Actually, I don't know how to arrange the cutlery. How? Okay, this is the way I arrange the cutlery like this. If I make a mistake, please comment to tell so that I can improve. And about the quality of the charger and the cutlery and the glass candle holder, you can check my old tutorial by click here. I have a separate tutorial video to show you the detail about the quality check. I don't repeat on this tutorial. Okay, finally, the candle. I already put some water on this candle holder so I can use the folding LED candle. Just put it on the table will be okay. And also, you can click here to watch my other tutorial for the quality check. Just put it on, will be okay. This LED candle seems not work. But anyway, you can buy one or two more of the candle so that you can replace if you find something, the candle not work. Okay, completed. Look, I found the problem. The color of the candle is different. The folding color is like white color, but warm white color. But this tea light candle is yellow color. So when you purchase the candle, you can look the difference. You need to make sure which color you want so that you will make the mistakes like me. But anyway, I will change the candle color. Find a way to change color. On this design, I would like to use this yellow color, matching with the coffee of our material. I will change and show you the effect. Okay, I replaced the folding LED candle by the tea light candle. So the come out will be much more better. So be careful when you order the LED candle. Okay, it's completed. Let's check the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect. Okay, let's check it from the top. It's hard to take the video for such large table. Like this. Okay, I'm sitting on the table, so let's check the effect. Like we are the guests. Like this. And let's zoom in. This idea is very pretty and very easy to make. It will help you to save a lot of time to make the decoration. Okay, and this place, the little flower come out, so this looks much more nature. Okay, I turn off the light to make it look darker. The come out will be much more pretty. The environment, the come out will be much more romantic. Okay, sit down like a guest on the table. Very beautiful. Like this. Okay, this is today's tutorial, and for your information, we supply almost all the material used on our video. And we can make the mock-up according to your idea, and then sell the all the material used on the mock-up, used to make the mock-up according to the actual quantity you want. If you are interested, you can through me your party, your event. Let's have a try. Okay, thank you for your watching. Please do not skip the advertisement so I can get the revenue from YouTube and buy more material to make more video. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.